So I want to share with you the troubles in the digital marketing world. Hello, I'm Jason Hopkins. Um, I want you to be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And as always, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to smash that bell notification so that you're not missing out on future content that I provide you. So now, in this digital marketing industry, you probably noticed by now how you have some of these money-making gurus that love to stroke their egos, that try to dazzle you with their wisdom, telling you too much about themselves without you even asking them questions about them. And then at some point during this conversation with some of these top gurus, all of a sudden they want to pitch you some kind of offer that you can't refuse. Now, the key to this business, to most of these businesses, is learning how to brand yourself and learning to have a human to human conversation with people that have no clue who you are or what you stand for. People that's gonna go out of their way whenever you're stuck with your business, while you're trying to figure out how to build your business. Stay away from these so-called guru ego strokers that love to grab people's attention, that love to grab your attention, making these videos of them driving these brand new cars, riding off into the sunset. Stay away from those people, because they're not really trying to teach you the fundamentals of how to market a business. Now, that being said, if you are looking into a program where people are actually joining people and helping each other succeed to create that abundant lifestyle, I want you to check out my #1 recommended program at the bottom of this video. Now, you're going to need to put your name and email to get access to this program, to get access to this information. Well, that's it. That's all I have for you right now. I trust you got value from this. And if I'm right, I want you to be sure to smash that like button and leave a comment below. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you're watching this on Facebook, feel free to comment below, or you can message me. My name is Jason Hopkins. Thanks for watching.